Hello, good evening to all. I'm Hitesh. You are watching Practice Mass. Today I will teach you some phrases. Okay, let's start. Holiday day. It means you are exhausted, so you finished it and it. I will give you some example. I have been working since morning, so you can say, let's call it a day. तो finish करते हैं, चलते हैं. Beg to differ. Beg to differ. It means beg to differ. It means you oppose doing something. I will give you some example. I should get a new mobile. You are discussing with your wife. Wife can say, I don't think so. It means वो मतलब मान नहीं रहा है कि इतना जल्दी आपको क्यों चेंज करना चाहिए. Third one is why so blue. Yeah, why so blue? It means why are you upset? Why are you upset? So you can say interchangeably. Anything wrong? So you can say also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video. Stay connected.